More now on one of our main stories this evening. Sky News understands the two men who died in the Brecon Beacons on Saturday were on the first day of an SAS selection test. Earlier, Lorna Dunkley spoke to a former SAS soldier, Bob Paxman.
Case of having to keep the food and the water going in there, regulating your body temperature as best you can. But when you're actually up against the clock and you're pushing those timings to get through the selection process, it's an incredible stress on the body, and it's designed to pick out the best of the best.
Are the tests that you go through adequate, good preparation for what you, personally I'm talking, did then experience in your career?
Absolutely. Over the years they've expanded, so you have these pre-selection beat-ups where you're taught the skills and drills, you're given training programs to actually beat yourself into a position where you can go on selection and come up with the best timings and the best results.
How will something like this, the tragedy that has happened on the Brecon Beacons, how will this affect those that do the test, those that are responsible for the tests, and the military family?
Well, obviously my heart goes out to the families of these guys. Obviously it's the ultimate sacrifice that they've put themselves through to get there. Obviously the MOD will be reviewing their policies and procedures, but this is not uncommon for people to die on selection process. It's the most grueling, it's the most physical, it's the hardest special forces selection process in the world, and it is a case of looking for the best soldiers to get through the programme.
Bob, could you explain to us how the Territorial Army section of the SAS works? Does it operate completely separately?
It does operate separately, yes. It falls under the Special Forces umbrella. Basically, the timings for TA SAS selection are greatly reduced. You're actually doing three miles an hour to pass the test. But all of the guys are on the course together. So if you was to have a 2-1 or 2-3 SAS guy on selection that was to come up to and meet the criteria, the timings, they could very well go through the whole selection process, go to the jungle, go through the rest of the courses and actually be badged as regular SAS.
Let's catch up on